Have you ever noticed that, in some families, certain members have different blood groups? How does this happen? Is it just random? Or is there any logic behind it? Blood types are not random. They're part of your genetic makeup, means it's inherited from your parents. Blood types are a fascinating aspect of human biology, but have you ever wondered how they're inherited? Your blood type is determined by your genes. Blood types are more than just a label on your medical records. They're a window into your genetic makeup. Have you ever wondered why your blood type is A, B, AB, or O? Or why some people are having positive blood groups while others are having negative blood groups? The answers lie in the fascinating world of genetics. Today, we'll explore how your blood type is passed down through generations. By the end, you'll see your family tree with fresh eyes. Let's get started. Your blood types are part of your genetic makeup, inherited from your parents through special codes called alleles, just like your eye color or hair texture. There are 4 main blood types. Type A has A antigens and anti-B antibodies. Type B has B antigens and anti-A antibodies. Type AB has both A and B antigens but no antibodies. Type O has no antigens but both anti-A and anti-B antibodies. Your blood type is decided by a gene with 3 possible options: A, B, and O. You get one from each parent, and how they combine and decides your blood type. Want to know how these work together? Let's dive in. Your blood type is determined by the combination of 2 alleles, one inherited from each parent. The interaction between these alleles is what gives rise to the 4 main blood types we commonly hear about: A, B, AB, and O. But the story doesn't end there. Let's dive into the details. A and B alleles are codominant. This means that if you inherit both an A allele from one parent and a B allele from the other, both will be expressed. The result? You'll have AB blood. This is an interesting case because neither A nor B is dominant over the other. They both appear equally in your blood. On the other hand, O is recessive. For O to show up in your blood type, you need to inherit an O allele from both parents. So, if one parent is type O and the other is type A, the child could inherit an O allele from both parents and have type O blood. It's important to note that even if you inherit an A or B allele, O will remain hidden unless you inherit another O allele. Let's break it down with an example to make it clearer. Imagine parent 1 has type A blood with a genotype of AO. This means they carry one A allele and one O allele. Then, parent 2 has type B blood with a genotype of BO, carrying one B allele and one O allele. Their child could inherit the A allele from parent 1 and the B allele from parent 2, resulting in AB blood. The A allele from parent 1 and the O allele from parent 2, giving them a blood. The O allele from parent 1 and B allele from parent 2 and resulting in B blood. Or the O allele from both parents, which would give them O blood. That's why siblings can have different blood types. Even though they share the same parents, the combinations of alleles inherited can vary. So one sibling might end up with blood type A, while another could have blood type B or O, even if both parents are of type A or type B. But wait, there's more. Beyond A, B, and O, there's another factor at play, the Rh factor. If your red blood cells have the Rh protein, you are Rh positive. If you don't have the Rh protein, you are Rh negative. A person's complete blood type includes both their A, B, O group and their Rh status, either positive or negative. The Rh factor is inherited genetically from your parents, just like ABO blood groups. The Rh positive gene is dominant, while Rh negative is recessive. If a person inherits at least one Rh positive gene, they possibly will have Rh positive blood group. A person will only be Rh negative if they inherit 2 Rh negative genes, one from each parent. To predict blood type inheritance, geneticists use Punnett squares. These grids show possible allele combinations from both parents. For your understanding, I have breakdown it into easy table form. Parents 1 blood type is in rows and parents 2 blood types in column. The intersection cell shows the possible child blood types, including Rh factor. Plus or minus means Rh factor could be positive or negative, depending on genetic inheritance. For example, if parent 1 is B positive and parent 2 is O positive, child can be B positive or O positive. Your blood isn't just a fluid, it's a story written in your genes. It connects you to your ancestors and shapes the world of medicine. From dominant and recessive alleles to the ABO system and Rh factor, your blood type reflects the intricate world of genetics. So, do you know your parents' blood types? Ask them and see if you can predict your own. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned as we continue to explore the fascinating world of biology. Because understanding your blood type means understanding life itself,